Royal Doulton Sonnet from 20th century, a nice green and white porcelain pattern. This is the cape plate, 9.25-inch, extending to just under 10.5 inches on the handles. Quite a shallow cape plate design, as you can see, with the handles raising themselves higher than the actual rim of the cape plate. There's the Sonnet Royal Doulton line and crown marks. H5012, first quality Royal Doulton marks on there, and this one's in absolutely mint condition. Couple of knife marks just on the surface, but really very, very clean, and will fit into your existing collection of Royal Doulton Sonnet particularly well. Just got one of these going on catalogue, so we didn't have a big stack of them. Have got a lot of flatware in Royal Doulton Sonnet and some serveware, so if you're looking for particular pieces in this pattern and you found us through the video for this cape plate, then do pop on the link below. It will take you through to the website listing, where you can do a search on Sonnet with a double N, and it should pull the range of china currently on catalogue that we've got for sale from our website here in the UK. Thanks for watching.